How I lost 100 pounds fast, weight loss journey and tips. Welcome to my weight loss journey where I shed an incredible 100 pounds quickly. Let's dive into how I achieved this life-changing goal. Initially, my journey began with setting clear, achievable goals. I knew exactly how much weight I wanted to lose and by when. I revamped my diet completely, focusing on nutrient-rich foods while cutting out sugars and processed items. It was tough but worth it. Incorporating regular exercise was another pillar of my success. I started with light workouts and gradually increased the intensity. Drinking plenty of water daily helped suppress my appetite and keep me hydrated, which was crucial for my metabolism. I also learned the importance of sleep. Getting at least 8 hours each night helped with recovery and kept my cravings in check. To stay motivated, I kept a weight loss diary, documenting my progress, struggles, and successes which kept me accountable. Support from friends and family was invaluable. Sharing my goals with them helped me stay on track and encouraged. I also used helpful tools and apps to monitor my progress and keep my diet on track, which provided me with the necessary insights. I faced several setbacks and plateaus, but instead of giving up, I adapted my strategies, which included changing my workout routines and diet. One key tip I can offer is to celebrate small victories along the way. This approach kept my spirits high and my focus sharp. Now, I feel healthier, more energetic, and confident. This journey has truly transformed my life beyond just losing weight. Thank you for watching. Remember, the path to weight loss is a personal journey, and it's about finding what works best for you. Good luck! Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more health tips.